Welcome to Hampi.
Virupaksha Temple is the 7th century Shiva temple in Hampi, central Karnataka. Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Lord Virupaksha, also referred to as Pampapthi, is the main deity in Virupaksha Temple. Virupaksha Temple complex also houses shrines of Bhuvneshwari and Vidyaranya. Eastern Tower has extensive craftsmanship on each of its floors featuring hundreds of Hindu gods and goddesses. The inverted shadow of the main tower falls on a wall inside the temple. Moving towards Kamalpur from Krishna Temple, we see Badvilinga. This is the biggest of all lingas in Hampi. This gorgeous linga is made of black stone. It is nearly 12 feet in height. Its inner sanctum has no ceiling. It is always in water since a canal passes through this temple. Ugra Narsingha is very close to Badvi Linga. It is the biggest idol in Hampi. Its height is 22 feet. This was carved by a Brahman during Krishnadevarai's regime. Invaders broke this idol. Behind the head there is a serpent with its hood open. Though the statue has no temple now, there must have been a temple in the past.
मी आली आहे हम्पीला अंडरग्राउंड शिवा टेम्पलच्या इकडे.
Since it is below the ground level, it is known as Pataleshwara Temple. Patala means bottom. Its ceiling is at the ground level. There are steps at the eastern door to go down to the temple. On the basis of the architectural style, it is judged to have been built during the time of Bukkarya I. There is an Eshwara Linga with Nandi facing it. It is also called Prasanna Virupaksha Temple. To the south of the Pataleshwara temple, on an elevated place is a fort. Entering this, one will find a large open place. In the middle is Kamala Mahal or Lotus Mahal or Chitrangini Mahal. Lotus Mahal is built as an Indian as well as Muslim style of architecture. It is built from a paste made of lime and sand. Inside the compound of the fort, near the Kamal Mahal, are remains of a ruined building. Some people opine that the Queen's palace was in that place. In the same compound, in the western corner, there is a mansion built of lime and paste. It is the Kumara Rama Gymnasium. Some people think that it was a mint. The world-famous stone chariot, the Sun Temple of Konark Kollad have inspired this creation. It is made of rough quartz. Generally, an idol of Garuda is found in front of the Vishnu temple, but here the stone chariot has been erected. In of the chariot pictures of soldiers, hunters, the Portuguese, the Arabs and the Persians have been depicted. Elephant stable was meant for the royal elephants. There are 11 stables here. All these are neatly interconnected with saval doors. This building with arches is built of stone and mortar. The ceiling is dome-shaped. The nearby building is said to be quarters for guards. If we go out to the east, we come across a temple of Vishnu which is always called the Temple of Saraswati. Mahanvami Dibba is a platform 80 square feet in area and 22 feet in height. It was built by Krishnadevarai in memory of his conquest of Ots. The carvings on this platform are just like those in the Hajara Rama temple. They are also similarly tiered. These pictures are all embossments. Hunting scenes, dance postures and mythological pictures are common here. On the southern side of this platform there are some interesting items of sculpture. In the first line there is a procession of elephants. In another, someone is bowing to a person on the throne. On the basis of the Persian cap and the pointed beard, the one bowing can be recognized as a foreigner. Pictures foreign ambassadors have been carved here. On another side, scenes of Holi have been etched. Queen's Bath is a beautiful building built of mortar. The architectural style is a mixture of Hindu and Muslim style. There is a pond in the middle for swimming. It is 8 feet deep. There is a canal for water to flow in from outside. There are 4 outlets at the bottom for the used water to flow out. Hajari Rama temple was built in the early part 15th century of by the Vijayanagar Devrai. Lord Ram Indi is then king of it. Is a temple of royal courtyard in Hampi idol in the temple. There 1000 statues of Lord Ram are carved beautifully in the temple showing the battle between Rama and Ravana, Hanuman meeting Sita, etc. This temple is built in the Dravida style, which is similar to many early Chola and Pandya temples.
At the end of Hampi tour, we feel sad to see the ruins of monuments in Hampi. The history of Hampi, that used to be a prosperous and rich kingdom in 14th century, was ruined owing to the attacks made by Mughals. The Vijayanagar Emperor, the main Emperor Krishnadev Raya, was defeated by a coalition of Muslim sultanates. Its captain was conquered, temples and places were destroyed, looted and burned, and then abandoned as ruins, which are now called the group of monuments at Hampi.